So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit image transparency here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word. Then once that is done, go to the top left and press on Insert. Then go to where it says Pictures right here. Press on Pictures. Now for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go ahead here, not select a photo from my file or browser, and instead use a stock image from the Online Pictures option right here. Now what I'm going to do after this is actually go ahead here to the beach and press on beach right here. And how about this photo right here? And then I'll press on insert right there as an example. So once that is done, your photo is selected. Simply just press on the photo right here. Then open up this top bar. Now if you want to go to image transparency, what you can actually do right here is go to not artistic effects, my apologies. Go to my apologies here, transparency, press on that. Now if you want to make it more transparent, you can grab this bar, slide it to the right, and you make the image more transparent. If you want to make it less transparent, go to the left, and it does the exact same thing and anything in between as well, just like that. So super simple, pretty straightforward. This is how to edit image transparency here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.